Hello Vikas, how are you doing?
Awesome.
How's the Josh?
Awesome. Sorry. गला बैठ
How's the Josh?
Hi.
Okay, so first of all, thank you so much for accepting this impromptu challenge, and
pleasure.
thank you for taking up the 3 breath challenge. So,
Okay.
are you ready for it?
Yes, absolutely.
So, what you have to do is you have to close your eyes, and you have to take 3 deep breaths. Relax your body first,
Okay.
and then close your eyes. Close your eyes, relax your muscles, your face muscles, your shoulders, your chest, abdomen, legs, arms, thighs, calf, toe, the sole of the feet, and your scalp muscles, the head, the scalp. Relax them. Now you have to take 3 breathe in and 3 breathe out as you like. Take your time. And then whenever you are comfortable, you can open your eyes. So how do you feel?
Awesome. Relaxed.
Relaxed? Did you had a long day?
Yes.
So just 3 breaths and you're relaxed?
Yes, absolutely.
Is that simple?
Very simple.
Okay. So you said that it's a simple thing, right? So I'm sure you will have some knowledge about it. So when you take a deep breath in, does your stomach go in or out?
Deep breath in. Stomach goes out. Deep breath when we take in, it goes out.
And when you exhale?
It goes in.
So were you doing the same way which you are talking? Were you doing the same way when you were doing the 3 breath challenge? Are you sure about it?
Never noticed it actually.
Would you like to try it again?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it with the instructions this time. Close your eyes and do the 3 deep breaths. And notice this time where your stomach is going naturally, your abdomen. Give it a conscious thought. Where is it going? Whenever you are comfortable, you can open your eyes. So, what do you think? How are you breathing? Are you taking your stomach, you're squeezing it in when you're breathing in? Or how is it working like?
It is moving out when I'm breathing in.
Do you think that's the correct way to breathe?
I think yes.
Why do you think so?
Because when you feel something, it will automatically grow or it will expand.
Expand.
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, that's
When-
great. Give it for yourself. That's the correct way of breathing. So, what do you think, Vikas? Are you able to maintain that conscious thought throughout the 24 hours?
No, not at all.
No?
No.
So, what do you think? Like, when you are not giving it a thought, what do you think? What kind of breathing are you doing?
It's more of a like. It's more of a like I think. How to go? It's more of a like. I feel that the stomach is going out, but not to the extent while we are doing it consciously. It is like little bit out and little bit exhaling, little bit expansion, little bit and contraction. Not a complete one.
How does that affect you?
The breathing pattern I have seen means when I have observed while I do meditation in the morning, what I feel is if I don't do the meditation and all, I don't feel relaxed all the time. And what I have observed is when we are like furious or we are angry, the breathing goes fast. But when we are relaxed, the breathing is slow and long breath is there, a deep breath is there, and that our breaths can change the whole mind, a whole mood of us.
Interesting. So, are you saying that your breath is interrelated with how you feel your emotions?
Absolutely, yes.
So, if you can relate your emotions to your breath, do you think you can control your emotions by controlling your breath,
Absolutely,
the patterns?
yes.
Have you ever tried it? Experienced?
Yes, I've tried it. Sometimes when I feel like I can't sleep, or I'm not feeling like sleeping, or I'm trying to sleep very hard, then what happens is when I try to sleep very hard, I'm not able to sleep because I'm like pushing it in. But when I try to control my breathe, means I do deep breathing, I'm able to sleep very easily. So that way, what I figured out is the problem was I was angry and I was trying to sleep. So my breathing pattern was different, and that was not allowing me to sleep. But when I changed my breathing pattern to the faster, to the deeper and slower one, I was able to sleep very easily.
That's quite profound. Thank you for sharing that with us, and thank you for being vulnerable and sharing your sleep patterns and anxiety and everything. So, how did you got this knowledge that you can affect your emotions, your mood, your feeling with the patterns you breathe? How did you got that insight? Because I've been talking to so many people, and there are very few people who talk about this. You're one of them. Congratulations for being that. So, how do you feel that?
I found that by doing meditation every day. I was not aware about the meditation, but when I got awareness about the meditation, I started following the breath patterns. I started, and there were few people in my environment, in my circle, who, when I shared the problem of my sleeping, they said, just don't take any pills, or don't do anything like go for a doctor. Just try this simple step of deep breathing, and that helped me a lot. And that way, I was able to know that the breathing pattern affects a lot of things.
So, congratulations, Vikas, that you have this luxury. Yes, I'm repeating it, that you have this luxury to breathe at your own will.
Absolutely, it's a luxury.
You have this luxury. Are you grateful for that?
Yes, I'm every day grateful for it, because if breathing is there, then life is there, and if life is there, then breathing is there. So it's like you can't live without breathing. So I'm very grateful for it.
Are you sure about it?
Absolutely.
So, are you up for one more challenge?
Yes.
So, in this challenge, you have to stop your breathing by force.
Okay.
So, use your hand, your fingers, close your nose, close your mouth, close your eyes, and you have to consciously stop breathing, and let's see for how many seconds you can do it. So you can put it out, like relax your hands. These were just the instructions. Stop it, stop it.
Okay. Okay.
So take a deep breath, and then when I say go, you stop your nose. We need to see your mouth, that you're not cheating. So you have to close your mouth, close your nose with your fingers like this, and show us how many seconds can you hold your breath. Are you up for the challenge?
Yes.
Are you up for the challenge?
Yes.
So slow. Are you up for the challenge?
Yes.
Okay. Start. Close your eyes. 1, 2, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 5. 10 seconds. 15 seconds. 20 seconds. Whoa! Can you see this man, this young man? Look at the calmness on his face, the stillness in his body. His hands are not shaking, his body is still. That's the power of meditation. That's the power of meditation. Whoa! 40 seconds. Wow. 50 seconds. A slight movement on his eye. Some restlessness is happening now. But not bad. 1 minute, Vikas. 1 minute. Wow. 60 seconds. That was commendable. Give it up for yourself. Wow. But how was it, Vikas? How was it? When you were forced, you cannot breathe the way you are breathing. This luxury that life has bestowed upon you. How are you feeling? How are you feeling?
It was very unrelaxing. I mean, right now also I'm having little bit pain in my ears because of that 1 minute. I was not able to take the breath. So it's feeling like when we are in the flight and the flight is very high on the heights, the you feel the air pressure goes low, but the oxygen mask doesn't come.
कान
very
बंद हो
instantly.
जाते हैं.
हाँ, कान बंद हो जाते हैं. You don't feel, you are not able to listen. And at this point of time also, I'm not able to listen to the speaker very clearly, and it's like I'm feeling a little bit pain in my ears.
How is it feeling? You can breathe.
It's a big luxury which people usually take it for granted.
So, do you know there are millions of people on this planet who do not have the luxury like Vikas,
Absolutely.
like Swati? They do not have this luxury. They are struggling for every single breath. What do you think about these people? How does that make you feel? That thought that you could not hold it for more than 60 seconds and they are living it for decades, for years, with that oxygen pipe hooked on. Sometimes not oxygen pipe, it's an invisible evil, a suffering.
It's
How
very
does that
painful.
make you feel?
It's very painful to listen about these people, and I'm very grateful to know that few people like you are taking care of things. I mean, taking care of them, those people, and making them live a life which they deserve. I'm sure this challenge will help many people to be grateful for what they have. People are moving after the materialistic things, and they forgot the thing which they have is like the nose, which they can breathe anytime for free. They don't have to go to doctors or to have oxygen cylinders or that pipe for breathing. And there's nothing you need to be for more grateful for. This is the one of the thing you can be grateful for any time, any moment.
Wow, that's powerful. That's powerful. Whoever is watching this video, put your mobile phone down and give a round of applause for this young man, Vikas, who's changing millions of lives and is having such a profound knowledge of wisdom, the way he is putting up the words. Wow. Thank you so much, Vikas, for this input.
Thanks a lot for inviting me on the show.
So, have you heard this name, Madhu Vyas, breathing warrior? Do you know her?
Yes, I know her, and she is like an inspiration at the age which she is, and with the oxygen pipe always on. So whenever I feel low, that I'm not getting I'm feeling low, or I feel like something, I have some problems, then I see her and see her in action, and I feel like, oh my God, if she can do it, I can do it.
Whoa! Awesome! Awesome! If she does not have any excuses, then
How can I-
Vikas cannot have
Any
it.
excuses.
That's powerful. Awesome. So, what do you understand by breathing warrior movement?
I'm not sure about what exactly it means, but by listening it for the I'm not listening it for the first time, but listening the terms, what I feel is it is empowering the people who are on the oxygen pipe and make them believe that life has not ended. That there's a lot of life which they can live, and they can. I'm not sure if they can reverse it, but with will, I believe you can reverse anything. So I believe this movement will empower people to not take it as an end of the life, but also try to reverse it with their will and the passion and the power.
Wow, wow, amazing. You could make out that just by 3 words, breathing warrior movement.
Absolutely.
Would you like to know more about it?
Yes, for sure.
So there are 3 parts of breathing warrior movement. First part is the fighter breathing warrior. That's people like Madhu Vyas,
Oh,
who are
great,
struggling for
great.
their breath every single moment. Doesn't matter they are on oxygen support or not. that might not be the case, but they are suffering from distress in their breathing.
Okay.
The second people are caregiver breathing warriors like myself, Swati Vyas, who are the immediate family or the professional caregivers who take care of such people, help them with their day-to-day lives, like taking a bath, like having their food, like taking care of their basic necessities, because that becomes a luxury, that becomes impossible. So we out of compassion, out of our passion and our love, we care for those people and we contribute to their lives. And that makes us fulfilled as well.
That's amazing.
And would you like to be part of this amazing movement?
Absolutely, for sure.
So that comes the third category, the third people, the most profound people like you, Vikas, the compassionate breathing warriors. Would you like to know more about compassionate breathing warriors?
Absolutely, yes. That's why I'm up for the challenge.
पहले अपने घर की आग बुझाओ. That means take care of yourself first. So a compassionate breathing warrior is a conscious breathing person who does not take their breath for granted, who has that gratitude and the right technique to breathe. And not just for the meditation for half an hour, for 10 minutes, but throughout the 24 hours.
Okay.
And it also has the compassion to support the people who are fighters and the caregivers, and to spread this word of awareness and consciousness, so that the way they are suffering, nobody else suffers on this planet. Would you like to be part of this elite, this precious and this unique breathing warrior movement? Would you like to be?
Absolutely, yes.
Doesn't looks like it. Like your energy is like, the commitment does not show.
Absolutely, yes. Actually, my voice is little down due to the...
Still, like, it's okay. Like, only elite people can join it. So it's okay.
Absolutely, yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. So, do you promise to not only be conscious about your breathing during your meditation, but you will put an alarm in your mobile for every hour, and for just 3 breaths, you will take that 3 deep breaths every hour. Do you promise that?
Yes. I usually do it. By doing an alarm, but I usually do it.
But do you commit to put an alarm to your mobile phone and do it on an hourly basis, so that I want to see you impacting millions and billions of life, Vikas. But if you get into the loop of struggling with your own breath, unfortunately, just think, what would you lose? What are the stakes?
The breath is at the stake. The biggest luxury of life is at the stake.
So do you commit
Yes.
to be a compassionate and a conscious breathing warrior?
Yes.
Are you committed?
Yes.
How much?
100%.
How much?
100%.
How much?
100%.
Okay, so congratulations and welcome aboard to the Breathing Warrior movement. You're officially part of it now. Congratulations!
Thank you.
Thank you so much for being such a sport, and thank you for giving your time and for committing to your own health. Congratulations for a bright future, and thank you so much for impacting millions and billions of life. I would like to tell everybody that Vikas, oh, how old are you? Let's hear it from Vikas. How old are you?
22.
Oh my God! What did you say?
22. Double 2, 22.
You are 22 years old, and what do you do, Vikas?
I help coaches, trainers and mentors with their sales funnels, because some coaches changed my life, and that's why I want to give them back by helping them.
Oh my God, 22-year-old people are putting spikes and colored hair and just trying to flirt with opposite gender, and this man is there, passionate and compassionate and willing to live for others. I salute you, Vikas. I salute your spirit, and I love the smile and love the spark in your eyes.
Thanks a lot.
So I wish you all the best, and I'm sure you're already impacting millions of people. Vikas is already an entrepreneur. he is not only a very young entrepreneur but generating such a great impact, and not only the impact, money. Money. He is earning a lot of money. He is living a luxurious life. Look at this space. Look at this space. Look at this seat. This man is a 22-year-old man, Vikas, impacting people, adding value to them, and giving back because his life was changed by a coach. That's his why.
Absolutely, yes.
So congratulations, Vikas, and thank you so much for being such a sport, and thank you for joining us. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you for giving me the opportunity to take up the challenge.
And Vikas is not only a person who helps coaches now, but he is also a compassionate, breathing warrior.